Hello students, welcome back to your science class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay safe and healthy with your family members. Did you complete your worksheets? Yeah, good. Today we going new lesson that is about living and non-living things. It's a revision part. Students, in this lesson, we study about what are living things, what are non-living things. We will also see the difference between living and non-living things. Students, do you know living and non-living? Do you have any note? Observe that 5 minutes. Okay, now go outside. If you have any flower pot in your garden, otherwise any plant, observe that plant 5 minutes. Did you observe both the things as well as book and plants? What are the difference? Tell me now, students. Both plants and book. Now, plants can grow. Whether book will grow? No. Plants have life, but book do not have any life. Books do not have any life. Books are required food, water. No, books don't want anything because books is a non-living things. Now, what are all the other difference? Students, before itself you observe no, plants can grow and plants can breathe. Am I correct? But non-living things whether your book can grow? No. Your book can breathe? No. Because of the reason it's a non-living things. Let's go today our session. Living and non-living things. Students, observe the picture. Living and non-living things. Here, just underline the living things. This side like flower, zebra, tree, dragonfly, fish, frog, crocodile. These are all living things because these things can live. This side ball, doll, chair, skateboard, teddy. These are all non-living things because they don't want food, breathe, they can't move separately. That's why they don't have life. That's why these are all called non-living things. But these things, this fully living things because flower want to breathe. This have some particular time to live and these fish want to food. So these are all living things. Now, difference between living and non-living things. I have told you living things can move, growth, reproduction, need for food, sensing the changes, taking breeds. These are all the characteristics. So, but non-living things can't move, growth, reproduction. They don't want food, sensing and taking breeds. But living things, it's a characteristic. What are all the characteristics? Movement, growth, reproduction, need for food, sensing the changes and taking breeds. These are all characteristics. Today we have discussed only first two characteristics, movement and growth. Students, first I want to explain living things. What are all the living things? The things is two different. First one is the natural. Some of these are natural things. For example, sun, stars, plants and animals. It gives us nature. What are all the things give nature? It's a natural things. But some of these man-made things. More examples is there. For example, road, cars, trains. These are all human-made things. So, the first characteristic, living things move. Movement. Nagarve. Living things generally move from one place to another in search. In search. Search means தேடுதல். Living things generally move from one place to another place of food, shelter, or to protect themselves from enemies. This ability of living things move from one place to another is called a locomotion. Is called a locomotion. Students, listen carefully. We are all living things. Isn't it? We are all living things. Plants, animals, human beings. These are all human things. Human living things. That living things generally move from one place to another place. Search the basic need for food, shelter, or protect themselves from enemies. This ability is called a locomotion. This ability is called a locomotion. Animals use different modes. As a human beings use only legs for move from one place to another. But animals using different movements. For example, walking, running, swimming and jumping and hopping to move from one place to another. We are discussing only the first thing is movement. Living things move from one place to another. Why the living things move? Because they search food and shelter. Shelter means iripidam. Food and shelter to protect themselves from enemies. This particular ability is called a locomotion. And that particular animals using the movements, walking, running, jumping and hopping. Students, look at this picture carefully. It's a living things move. What are all the living things? Plants, animals and human beings. These are all living things. Here, all the animals and plants are living things. What are the living things? All the animals and plants. These are all human beings are also living things. Only the three things is the living things. Animals, plants and human beings. We are all human beings. So we are all living things. All the animals and plants are living things. Human beings are also living things. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduction. These are all characteristic. Living things can move on their own. Animals move from one place to another in search food and shelter. Food and shelter. Animals move from one place to another in search. Why the animals? What are all the searching things? Food and shelter. This process is called a locomotion. Here, the human beings walking. This is a movement. Human beings also living things. Here, the fish swim. It's also movement. No, the fish swimming. Fish swimming. It's a movement. Next, the dog runs. It's also movement. But plants also one type of living things, isn't it? But plants can walk? No, plants can't walk. Plants do not show movement. Plants do not show movement from one place to another. But animals and human beings can walk. Plants can walk? No. Plants do not show movement one place to another. However, different parts of some plants can show movement. Only some plants one can show movement. For few examples is there. First one is touch me not plant mimosa. First example, touch me not plant, touch me not plant mimosa. And sunflower. And sunflower. These are all the few, only two examples is there. Touch me not and a sunflower. The leaves of touch me not get closed. This is the touch me not plants. When we are all touch the leaves, the leaves also closed. That means they stimulate, they show the reaction. That is the movement. Next, the leaves of sunflowers turn their leaves. Do you know sunflower? Everyone know for the sunflower. It's a bright color, yellow color flower. The sunflower turn their leaves towards the sun. The sun, like east side means east side, west, north, south. That means sunflower turn their leaves towards the sun. Next, living things move by themselves because they want to move, means they can walk, jump, run. But non-living things can move? No, because they don't have life. Living things move by themselves and therefore make best use for this property to show they are live. Have you ever seen your cherries move? No, because it's a non-living things. Here, given the clear explanation, the only two examples is there, no? Plants do not move. Plants do not move one place to another because they don't have to look for food. the only two things living things want to move. What is this? Because living things need for food and shelter. Here plants also one type of living things, but plants can't move. Plants do not move from place to place because they do not have for food. Some plants move in special way. Some plants move in special way. Example, lotus flower opens out at sunrise and closes at night. At the daytime only sunflower open. At the night time it's a closed. The leaves of mimosa. It's a mimosa flowers. It's a leaves of mimosa. When we touch it, it will be closed. It will be closed. It's a one types of movement. The second characteristic, living things grow. Living things exhibit growth and as they grow. The shape and size of their body. The shape and size of their body. Growth in a living things. The second line, growth in a living things take place with time. For example, human baby grows into an adult. Human baby grows into an adult. A baby seed grows into a plant. Human baby grows into an human baby to adult. Plants, a baby plant, a baby seed grow into a seed. A baby plant grows into a seed. Baby seed, a baby seed. Seed grow into a plant. Next, a calf grow into a cow. A calf grow into a cow. This is the next. Chick grows into a hen. Chick grows into a hen. Chick grows into a hen. This example shown to this grow. Doesn't your chair have grow? Doesn't your computer have grow? Because this is a non-living things. Non-living things like books, toys and chairs do not move. Non-living things like books, toys, chairs do not move on their own. They move when someone moves them. Here, living things only can move themselves. Here, plants and animals grow with time. Plants and animals grow with some particular time. A child grows into a adult. A seed grows into a plant. But non-living things, dolls and cricket balls do not grow. The baby seeds grow into a big tree. Human beings grows into an adult. Here, human baby grows into an adult. A baby seeds grow into an plant. A baby calf grow into cow. Chick grow into hen. This is the living things grow. I hope understood this part. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.